Jody here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to show you several uses for the perfume sprays I've been showing you how to make. So you can use the rose perfume for this one, and also I'll include a couple of links on other blog posts and such that I've made about your own fragrances, making your own fragrances. So firstly, to dust. Excuse the light flickering, I'm not sure what's going on there, but it's flickering. So I like to spritz the area first before I dust. Get a cloth and just wipe around. This means the dust will stick to the cloth nicely, but it also smells really lovely. And the oils, if you don't use something that will discolour the surface, the oils can help protect the surface as well, kind of like a wax. So yeah, I like to just give, everything a once over. And for those who know me and may have seen in other videos, heard me talking about it, I have quite a dark house, so I like to do things like put little crystal-y ball things in places where the sun reflects, so that I have something nice to look at as I come in from that area. That looked messy. So yeah, just give everything a bit of a wipe down with a spritz, and that's one thing you can do with the perfumes. Another use for the perfume sprays that I make is the shoe rack. So anybody who has a collection of shoes will find that now and again they'll get a bit smelly. You're going out in the street, you're stepping on the ground. It's nice just to give them a spritz, let the scents get into the fabrics and makes them smell a bit nicer. And also, as with the last one, whoops, wet and dust. The lights have gone crazy, we're having a disco. Indoor plants. And this one here's got a little ladybug. One of my sons gifted me. So I feel like they brighten up the place, they make me feel happy, and this one here is flowering and it smells really nice. An air freshener for your beauty salon. Anybody who's worked in a beauty salon knows that they can feel a little stuffy. They're usually a small, quaint, intimate room. You need to sort of refresh the air every now and then. Plus you may be working with potent ingredients such as nail polish and things. You want to maybe dye down that scent a little bit. And also on the bed, for the people to lie on. Freshen it up, make it smell lovely. And just as a general room air freshener. The powder room. We all know how that gets a little bit. Somebody's gone in, done a little bit something, doesn't smell so fresh. A nice spritz of your homemade room deodoriser perfume spray and Bob your auntie. Another useful thing to use your homemade perfumes is for when you've just made the bed. Everybody loves that freshly made bed, crisp bed thing, And one thing you can do to zhuzh that up a little bit is to give the sheets and the pillows a bit of a spray. And what that does is that lets all of those essential oil scents or fragrance scents, depending on which you've used, settle into the blankets, and then when you get in that bed it's going to smell nice and lovely. So it's really nice to pick a scent that you really like, you know, one that maybe relaxes you into sleeping or spices up your mood. Any questions, of course, about blends, let me know. Anyway, so that's another use for your homemade perfumes. Now, one last bonus thing you can do with your homemade room spray is a glass cleaner. Now, I'm not 100% sure if the camera's picking up the dust and grime on the glass table there, but you can use the spritzer to clean it. For a lovely streak-free, pretty smelling clean.